Hello friends, today I brought for you Hydra Eye Serum Patch from Swiss Beauty. So I have been searching for a eye patch that is cost effective and it fits in the budget cause eye serum patches are very costly in India, and I found this eye serum patch. Uh, so I got it for around 250 from Mintra. So this is aloe vera patch. So with the help of this spoon like thing, you can take out one patch and apply it under your eyes, and it contains aloe vera and serum that hydrates your skin. So you can apply it after you come from office or work and you feel very exhausted, then you can just apply this under your eyes and relax, as it moisturizes your under eye skin, and it will make your under eyes dark circles lighter, and it will relax you and give you a good rejuvenation. So it contains 60 patches. So it will if you use it every day, you can use it for 2 months almost, and it is a good deal. So if you liked my video, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I will meet you in my next video. Bye bye.